This is quite a tricky rate question. We're told that lava flows from a volcano at a constant rate of 11.9 cubic meters per second. How many days does it take for 67,205,600 cubic meters of lava to flow from the volcano? Give your answer to the nearest day. And in this case, we're asked for it to the nearest day, but you'll notice that we're given the rate per second. So let's find how long it takes for 67,205,600 cubic meters to then flow down the volcano. And we do this by dividing that big number there by the amount or the flow rate per second, which is then 11.9. When you do that, you'll get this here. So 5647529.412, and that is in seconds. So that's how long it's going to take that volume, the 67 million, to then flow out of that volcano. We need to convert that into days, and there's quite a few conversions here. First, I'm going to convert it to minutes. So 1 minute is then equal to 60 seconds. Then 1 hour is then equal to 60 minutes. And then finally, 1 day is then equal to 24 hours. So in order to convert it from seconds to minutes, you would then divide by 60. In order to convert your answer from minutes to hours, you would then divide by 60 again. And then in order to convert it from hours to days, you're then going to divide by 24. So in this case, we're going to divide that whole number. So I'm just going to put answer divided by 60. Divided by 60 again, and then divided by 24. And when you do that, you will then get 65.3649 ... We want the answer to the nearest day, so therefore we're going to round that to the nearest integer, and 3 causes you to round down, which therefore means that the answer would then be 65 days. There is a different way that we can do the conversion. So rather than dividing by 60, then divided by 60 again, and then divided by 24, we can then work out the number of seconds that there is in 1 day. And in order to do that, we do the number of hours, which is 24, multiply that by 60 to get the number of minutes, and then multiply that by 60 to get the number of seconds. When you do this, you get 86,400. We can then divide that large number, which is the 5647529.412, divide that by 86,400, and then that would give you exactly the same answer, which is this one here, which is 65.3649, which then when you round it to the nearest day, you then get 65. So it's totally up to you how you want to answer this question. You could do each of the conversions separately, which is what I did there. So divide by 60, then divide by 60, then divide by 24, or you could work out the total number of seconds in 1 day.